I know there are viewers following me with these 52-week savings challenges that I have. I have 7 altogether, and it is to help someone start saving money for an emergency fund if they don't have one. And I hope more viewers start following me with these savings challenges, so you can have some money to tap into when emergency comes. Yeah, you don't want to be in a situation when emergency comes and you don't have no money. I've been there, done that. Don't want to do that no more. And with these savings challenges that I have, it can help you be in that situation also where you won't have to be wondering where you're going to get the money from. So join me in this savings challenges that is almost completed. I've completed 3 already, and this one is almost completed, and the other ones are almost completed. So stay tuned and join me. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, welcome to another video. Thank you for stopping by. Wanda is my name and saving money is my game. If you're not saving for emergencies, let's make it yours too. Let's save more in 2025. Let's save more money in 2025, and we'll be glad that we did. And I'm asking if you will subscribe to this channel, click the thumbs up button, drop me a comment and let me know, what do you think of this video? Is it helpful? Is it a great idea? I'm very curious to know. And would you share this video, because there may be someone that could use this content also. And would you click the notification bell so you may be notified every time I upload a new video? I want to say thank you for being here. Welcome to everyone, and I hope everyone is doing well. And if you're participating in this particular savings challenge, let me know your progress so I can rejoice with you. Yeah, because I'm happy for you if you're saving money for an emergency fund. And you will be happy when you have some money to tap into when emergency comes. Yeah. Okay, I have 7 savings challenges. And today's savings challenge number, what is today? Today is Sunday, but we're doing savings challenge number the Saturday savings challenge, which is savings challenge number 6. Yeah, that I'm doing on Saturday. I missed yesterday. But anyway, so I'm going to do it today. And hopefully when I finish this one, I'm going to film today's. Okay? Yeah. Which will be Sundays. But, this just goes to show you that sometimes you may have to miss. Sometimes. But do what you can, when you can, and how you can. We have to be patient, consistent, and disciplined. Constantly adding to it and disciplined by not touching it. You see, Christmas is coming up. And let me tell you, I have these savings challenges, and do you know I haven't bought any Christmas gifts? That is the last thing on my mind. It's giving out gifts for Christmas, spending money for Christmas. What I'm more concerned about is having some money to tap into if I have an emergency. Christmas is one day, and I'm not going into debt for Christmas. I saw a video where this YouTuber by the name, his channel is called Frank Talks Money, but he was saying his co-workers was telling him they knew people that were getting payday loans for Christmas. No. If you don't got it, you just don't have it. Yeah, and if I don't have it, I just don't have it. No, I used to do things like that. I remember years ago when I was buying a lot of things for Christmas. Who remembers Famous Bar? It used to be, and it turned to Macy's. Macy's used to be Famous Bar. And I had a Famous Bar credit card that was maxed out. And I'm down in Famous on the phone with them trying to get them to increase my credit limit so I can buy Christmas gifts. Now the card was already maxed out, and I'm trying to get some credit so I can buy Christmas gifts. And they extended it. They gave me, extra credit on my card so I can buy shopping. But now I don't think like that. And you know what? I have enough credit cards to buy whatever I want to buy, many gifts, but I'm not getting in no debt for no Christmas. No. I've learned a valuable lesson. I want to have money to tap into when emergency comes. Okay? So, This is savings challenge number 6. Okay, and what you need for this savings challenge is something like this. I call this my money box savings challenge. And what else you need is this, a $20 bill. That's what we're stuffing this with every Saturday, a $20 bill. Now, I know I've missed a couple videos, but at the end of this year, then this month, this is going to be completed, okay? Because I think we have 2 more Saturdays this month. After I put this, I think the last Saturday I may have to double it. But it's gonna still and be $1,000. That's what the goal is, to save $1,000. And I think it's supposed to be $1,040, something like that. Yeah. But it's gonna be at least $1,000 or $1,040, whatever. It's gonna be that. And we know we need at least $1,000 to save for our emergency fund, and that will cover emergency up to $1,000. But we don't stop there. We want to save 3 to 6 months of our living expenses. I've said this over and over and over and over. Sit down and calculate what your living expenses are for the month. For instance, if your living expenses are $1,000 a month, multiply that times 3 or 6, and that will let you know how much you need to save in case something like this happens. Okay, if something like this happens and you have 3 to 6 months of your living expenses saved, you can still pay your rent, your mortgage, your gas bill, your electric bill, your cell phone, your car payment, your life insurance, your car insurance, and buy food, and still take care of things for 3 to 6 months until your situation changes. Or if you have something like this happen, these things here, you have money to tap into and to cover things, okay? You don't want to have to run out and get one of these, and run up a bunch of these, because this is not free money. We pay a hefty price called interest, and the fees are horrendous. Yes, they are. Okay? Now, this here, what's it called? And this is this. We don't do that. If we're going to get into this, this will be good, because this can help us to become financial free and have passive income, okay? Which this will be called other people's money, which that's a good thing. You can use other people's money to start a business, become an entrepreneur, and do things that will help you to be financially free. All right? All right. And what will help us if we can do things like come out of this and this. Now, this here, I paid this off last year and this off last year. This is one way I am able to do these savings challenges, because I don't have this and don't have this. And not having this can also help you to become financially free. When we're boggled down in a bunch of this, it's like we're in a hole and we're digging a bigger hole. So when you come out of that, you can take that money and work towards being financially free. And like I said, because of paying off this and this and this, that's one way I'm able to save, do these different savings challenges, so I can help someone else become in a situation where they can save money. You can save for your emergency fund and your 3 to 6 months of your living expenses. And this is a great savings challenge if this is your situation, because even if you're in this, you can take the money you do have and take $20 out of it. Now, if you can't do it every week, do it every 2 weeks. If you can't do it every 2 weeks, do it every month. But do something. Do what you can, when you can, and how you can. And like I said, you need this, a money box, and this. Now, I got this one off Amazon for about $14, $15, but they sell them on Temu and TikTok also. I saw them. And I was thinking about getting another one. But I'm like, no, this one is working fine. So why spend some more money? Okay. Yeah, so like I said, this one is almost completed. And another thing that will help us: live on less than what you make. Watch your spending. Staying out of debt. Have good behavior with money. Like, don't spend money like there's no more tomorrow. Like, for Cyber Monday, oh my goodness. People spend money like it was no tomorrow. And the reason I know, because I work for the U.S. Postal Service, I deliver mail. And the packages were horrendous. We're just now recovering from Cyber Monday. But when Cyber Monday came and those packages came through, oh my goodness, we were feeling the effects of it. And it's like, I thought people were laid off. And I thought people was going, had went through the government shutdown. I thought they didn't have no money. But you know what? A lot of people are using credit. They are. I mean, now, some people have money still, but a lot of people are using credit. So anyway, we don't want to do that. And so go to the grocery store and buy food and meal prep. That'll help you save money rather than eating out. Eating out is expensive. And if you're a person that likes to go here or any other coffee place, because there's another one where I live that just opened up called 7 Brew or Brew 7, something like that. You can make this coffee at home, or you can make other coffee, and you will have more coffee and spend less money. You can make as much as you want, and you can make it how you want it. Okay? All right, so let's go ahead and read our daily affirmations that we have to say every day. We're speaking those things in existence that we want and that we need. Death and life is in the power of our tongue. We have what we say. We can call those things as being out as though they were. Okay? And while we're speaking these things, speak it with power and authority. Always remember, the sky is the limit of what you can have. If you want it, you can have it. And you can literally speak it into existence. Today, something had came on my mind that I had spoken to existence. I was going to tell it, but that's going to make this video too long. So I'll tell it another time. But yeah, there are literally things that I wanted and needed, and I would just speak it and speak it and speak it and speak it until it came to pass. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. We're going to believe it. You got to believe it, receive it, and expect it. Yeah, like this is going to happen. That's going to happen. This is going to happen. Okay. All right. So I decree and I declare large sums of money now coming to me. Money chases me down. I decree and I declare I am prosperous. Send prosperity now. I decree and I declare I am debt free. I owe no man nothing. I decree and I declare I have more than enough money. I decree and I declare my checking account and savings account balance is, and say what you want it to be. I decree and I declare all of my bills are paid in full and all my needs are met. I decree and I declare I don't live in lack and want. I decree and I declare I am now financially free. I decree and I declare I am a money magnet. And I decree and I declare I'm a rich, wealthy, multi-millionaire. And you know it. All right? And act happy. Get happy before it happens. And get it in your mind. Get a vision of it in your mind. See it in your mind. Because when you see it in your mind, you can hold it in your hands. All right? All right. So let's go ahead and add our money to our money box. Okay? All right. Don't want to go in there. Okay, let's go ahead and record. Are you all getting ready for 2026? Because 2026, we're going to be doing these savings challenges, and things should be better for me starting 2026. But if I miss a video, that doesn't mean I'm not going to film anymore or post anymore. You just keep on doing what you're doing. And, I'll catch up when I can. Okay, so today we're going to put this on Saturdays, which is our money, work. Money box savings challenge. And we added $20. And the total amount from last Saturday was $920. So that's $940. Wow. $60 more and it will be completed. So I think we have 2 more Saturday. So what I may do is put 40, what I said, we need $60 more. So what I may do is put $30 in here next Saturday and $30 the next Saturday. Yeah, I may do it that way. Okay? Yeah, so then this will be all completed. So I want to say thank you for stopping by. Thank you for joining me. I hope this video was helpful. I hope something was said to help you. Drop me a comment. Let me know if you're doing this savings challenge or any other savings challenge. Or let me know your progress so I can rejoice with you. You all have a safe, wonderful day. And happy savings. I'll catch you in the next video.